My name is Casey Wills. I am the Director of Operations for Agro and Cattle. Agro and Cattle manages and is the steward for Town, Pinnacle Peak, El Corral, the Savoy Opera House, Pinnacle Peak Pistolero Stunt Show, and Pollyanna Park Picnics. CS Design has been taking care of our website for about the past 8 years. They've always kind of been a part of the company. They take care of managing all of our websites, maintaining them, making sure they're safe, they're secure, making changes to them. So we outsource all of that to them. Anytime that we need to make an adjustment to the website, for example, changing the menu, as well as making sure that people can find the website. They have done all of our SEO work, the search engine optimization. So they took care of the keywords and making sure that when people Google steaks in Tucson, for example, that they find us. CS Design tries to point us in the direction of marketing trends and tries to point us in the direction of what's happening on the internet-based or digital-based marketing. So CS Design prepares a monthly report for us, and each month they tell us how people found our websites, what people are Googling to find it, what pages are they looking at. If we ran an event in our town, if we could find out how many people came to look at that. And so once we get that data back, then we're able to check the effectiveness of all the marketing campaigns that we've been doing. The digital marketing has been a key part of our marketing strategy. I would definitely recommend CS Design to another firm that's getting ready to make the transition, or that they have been dabbling in digital marketing and just haven't found it to be successful, because it very well can be, and CS Design seems to have a grasp on how to make that happen.